Hello and a hearty welcome to all my students. This is Ajit Anthony, teacher at Mount Litra Z School Jhansi. In this video, we will discuss some of the topics which we have already discussed in my previous video. So without wasting any time, let's begin. The very first topic that we are going to discuss today is fibers and fabric. Fibers, they are the raw material to make our clothes and garments. Fibers are of two types, that are natural fiber, and later we will discuss synthetic fibers in this video. Natural fibers are the fibers which we have obtained from the nature, that is the plant or from the animals. Natural fiber is of two types, plant fibers. As the name itself suggests, plant fibers is a fiber obtained from the parts of the plant. Example: cotton has fibers around the seeds, coconut has fibers in its fruit, banana has fibers in its leaf, flax and jute have fibers on their stems. Now we will discuss animal fibers. As the name itself suggests, animal fibers are the fibers which are obtained from the animals. Mainly we get animal fibers from skin and fur of the animals. Now we will discuss another category of fibers, that are synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are also known as man-made fibers, as these fibers are strong and durable, and this type of fibers are mainly used by the human being during rainy season, because this type of fiber do not absorb most of the sweat but dries up quickly, which is very important during the hot and humid conditions. Now we will discuss cotton. As cotton is one of the important and most used fibers due to its requirement and the particular condition that our cotton brings with it. As cotton absorbs most of the sweat and makes our body cool, that's why the cotton is mostly suitable during the hot and humid conditions. Cotton in India grown in Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan and Punjab. And the largest producer of cotton in India is Maharashtra. The other countries which grow cotton are America, Africa and India. Cotton requires black soil to grow and requires a temperature between 21 to 27 degrees Celsius, and it requires hot, cool and dry climate. Now we will discuss the process of obtaining the cotton. The very first step to obtain cotton is to plant the trees. After planting the trees, the picking will be done. It is a process in which the cotton balls is being hand picked by the laborers. And over here machine is not required or not used in the hand picking process, because the cotton fiber is very fragile and cannot be handled by the machine. After that, the ginning process is there. In ginning process, the cotton balls which we have picked from the plant have seeds in them, and in this process the seeds are removed. That process is called ginning. After this process, spinning is there. In spinning, the fibers are being strand together to form a thread, and that thread are called yarn. The last process is making yarn to fabric. Making yarn to fabric involves two processes, that is weaving and knitting. Weaving and knitting as the process, and most of the children are confused between weaving and knitting. Weaving means silai and knitting means bunai. After these two processes is being done, a fabric is being made, which is the complete product, and then the product can be given to the tailor or can be made into the garments and can be cut into desired shape and size. The very last topic that we are going to discuss is jute. As jute is also known as the golden fiber because of two reasons. The first reason is due to its golden color, and second reason is due to its high price at international market, because jute is mainly used for packing material in worldwide different countries or the multinational companies. Over here now we will discuss the requirement required by the jute plant to grow. They are grow in different types of soil like sandy soil, clay soil and loamy soil. And there are major countries which grows jute are Bangladesh, India, China and Thailand. Over here, we should also understand the jute plant require a temperature hot and humid, plus a very heavy rainfall is required by the jute plant to grow easily. Now we will discuss the process to obtain jute fiber from the jute plant. Our first step is to plant the jute plant. After planting it, after attaining a certain height, the jute plant is being cut from the stems, and the stems are being submerged in the stagnant water for 10 to 15 days, and it is allowed to stem to rot. As the stem will rot, a gimpy stem substance from the skin will be separate out, and then the fibers are being obtained. After the gimpy substance is being removed, the fibers is being washed, sun dried and baked, and then that fiber can be used to make rope, gunny bags, mattresses and doormat, etc. Now we will see some uses of cotton and jute. As we see, most of the cotton is used in the manufacture of cotton textiles, garments and undergarments. Cleaned and carded raw cotton is sterilized and used in hospitals, is known as surgical or clinical cotton. Cleaned and carded cotton is used as filler in pillows, quilts and mattresses. Superior grade cotton is used in manufacture of rayon and printing currency notes and stamp papers. Inferior grade cotton is used in manufacturing of high quality paper. Jute is used for making yak, sacks and ropes. High quality jute fiber is used in making carpets. Fine quality jute is used for fancy dress material and ornament. Hope you all have enjoyed this session. Thank you.